Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS THANOS 10 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, just open the keyboard, just have it on the screen whenever you want to, in the notes or I don't know, in messages, contacts, something like that. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and basically all we have to do is to simply open the settings. If you cannot find the settings here, no worries, 3 dots icon and the settings should appear right here. So let me enter the settings, tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we will be transferred to the full list of all available languages from you can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, it's really impressive. So just find the language you'd like to use and tap on it, and let me pick something like maybe Assyrian because it's quite graphical. So let me tap on it. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the region, so just tap. And here we've got the keyboard types. In this case, I've got only one, but sometimes you will have like 3, 4, or even 5. So, for example, the handwriting and the keyboard with reordered letters. So let's tap on done after marking the keyboard you like to use. And as you can see, the Assyrian language has been immediately applied. So we can go back to the keyboard and check. And actually, we've got only one difference here. So next to the spacebar, we've got the globe icon, which is simply a language key, and it will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm, let's say, typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Assyrian one, as you can see. So let me tap on it again, and again English. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it. So we have to go back to the languages again, and here just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now just mark the language you like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just as it was at the very beginning of this video, and you can see that we cannot find the globe icon, so basically we can only type in English. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your ODYS THANOS 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.